Hey traders, what's up? Jamie Setley here. It is March 8th, 2016. Wanted to alert you to some opportunities flashing before our eyes in EidoSearch. Okay, we've got on the 1 month forward test here, which runs the patterns on the last 3 months of data. The three best opportunities going forward, according to EidoSearch, are dollar, Mexican peso, okay, on the upside, pound Kiwi, and pound Aussie. So the reason I make this report right now is that we've got RBNZ tomorrow, so pound Kiwi could be extremely interesting. Aussie is obviously broken out to the upside. If it's a fake out, then pound Aussie long will be awesome. But let's take a look at some charts, because the best opportunities arise when you get a combination of the EidoSearch, with a good spread, a good number of matches, and a good-looking chart with good-looking levels. So digging a little deeper here, pound Kiwi. Okay, we've got 23 matches, which is a pretty good number. 74% of them are positive 1 month forward, so 17 winners, 6 losers. And again, based on the historical pattern, you can see some pretty big moves. I mean, this is 2009, but most of them, of the good moves, center on the 3 to 5% range, which is a pretty solid move in FX, right? So for pound Kiwi, that would be on the order of 1,000 pips around there on an average move on the upside. 3.8% upside versus 1.2% downside risk. 3.1 ratio, that's great. If you wanted to dig deeper, then you can come down here and look at the overlays and everything else. I just want to get into the charts right now, but if you are a premium member, then come check this out. You can dig even deeper. So here's the chart. This is pound Kiwi daily chart. I think I presented this not too long ago. Actually, it was on the front page. This is a pound Kiwi chart. Review quickly. Massive basing pattern from 2011, and then we broke out last May. Okay, the decline from the August high. Again, the high was August 24th. Okay, it was kind of that big pivot day in which everything crashed, and you saw the big turn in Europe versus commodities. Well, we've actually come into basically the breakout level now. We've retraced everything. You've got great slope here. You've got downtrending slope, and in fact, the decline from November may well be a wedge, in which case we'd be looking all the way back up towards 236 or so. All right, shorter term, zooming in, you had a J spike here on 226 that has held. Okay, going to the short term, like hourly charts, you can see a pretty well-defined impulsive rally, meaning 5 waves up, and clearly a decline that is not impulsive, 3 waves down, A, B, C, and we've turned up from there. So again, with RBNZ tomorrow, this thing could just go literally straight up, okay? So that is literally front and center right now with pound Kiwi. Let's look at some of the other ones. What else did we say? Dollar Mexican peso was one that looked interesting as well. Here's the daily chart. Again, we're going back all the way to 2011 lows. This is the kind of operable structure or pitchfork that has been in effect for a very, very long time. And we've actually come into the median line. Okay, you can see the labels I have on here. Not really going to be able to look at them too well on a daily chart, but if you look at the an intraday chart, this is a 4-hour chart. You can see a 1, 2 sharp third wave, sideways in 4, probably running triangle, and then a 5th wave lower with divergence, suggesting that we are going to turn higher. But since we have 5 waves down, it would be looking for a corrective move to the upside. Okay, and for failure, probably closer to the January high. In any case, the trade at this point is to the upside. Okay, coming into big support, turning up from that support. And finally, pound Aussie, which I showed last night. I showed the weekly chart last night in the update, the 3-7 swing update, and we've come into big support there. This is the weekly chart. Okay, again, you've got horizontal resistance, former resistance, I should say, which has become support, was support back in March of last year. So effectively, we've done a round trip here on pound Aussie. Even if the broader trend here is down, again, you could get a move up into 203, which would be 1,200 pips from here, and that would be within the confines of a normal range or even new downtrend from the highs that were put in last August. So pound Kiwi looks pretty good right now. I don't really have a setup on pound Aussie on the upside at this point. Would just be really, tracking it closely, for maybe key reversal, J spike, what have you, as we get into, tomorrow and into the rest of the week. But again, pound Kiwi, probably the big one right now. You do have the potential for a third wave within a 5-wave cycle from the low that was made on 226, in which case you could go higher in a hurry. And again, RBNZ is tomorrow, so do be aware of the event risk ahead. All right. Okay, so just wanted to put that together quickly and alert you guys to the opportunities in EidoSearch. Again, the best opportunities are going to be, as far as EidoSearch is concerned, is when EidoSearch, when you have the the setups on your chart as well, right? It's not just like taking blindly. For me, EidoSearch is a starting point, a tool, an alert, really an alert system that lets me know where there could be big outsized reward to risk opportunities. But again, you are trading price, so you have to look at the chart and see where the support resistance levels are, and see if you've got setups that you can work with. Okay, if you don't do that, you're trading blind and just kind of hoping at that point, right? And again, I don't do a whole lot of these special reports because the big outsized opportunities just don't happen all the time. But at this point, I do see them. The chart levels are good. The reward to risk on EidoSearch is there. Good number of matches. So, wanted to put that in front of you. All right. So take care. Good luck. And exciting week ahead with BOC, RBNZ tomorrow, and ECB Thursday. All right. Okay. Take care. Bye.